Now this was the last thing. I thought this was great. It said, things I like to collect. This is funny. I can't believe I didn't see this before. She said, friends, of course, pretty china, dishes, coins, and recipes. She wrote, just collect, not use. Not use. But I had two quick thoughts to end my portion here. One of them was, and Brian will remember this specifically, we spent a lot of time up there on Hardwick Circle, and you know, I like to eat. I like to eat snacks then. Brian liked to eat. We just kind of ate what we want. Mom might have been napping, and we were up there eating. That's typically how it worked. Go to Mimi's house, didn't work that night at all. Snack time meant celery or apples. And I remember the first time she made celery with peanut butter. I think we tolerated it. I think we licked the peanut butter out and threw it in the celery. But now I love celery. It's funny how I love celery now. And the last thing I'll say is I remember so well, I had the fortune of being the oldest grandchild, so I spent an unfair amount of time with him, right? When I went to first grade, I'll never forget this. Let's think about the other day. When I got to first grade, there's a regular clock, an analog clock. And I remember the teacher saying, can anybody tell me what time it is? Yeah, it's 1:30, first grade. She said, how did you know that? I said, my grandmother showed me how to do it. So the next time she said, you ring the clock. She said, okay, Todd, go ahead. It's 10:45. Awesome. The next day, who can tell me what time it is? Todd, you can't go anymore. And because I learned to play puzzles and learn the capitals and the countries and geography. Geography was one of her favorite things. I mean, she had a map. She had maps all over her condo. I just took one down. Like, why do you need all these American maps? But she loved geography. She loved geography. She loved maps. And wherever she saw Chattanooga or Dalton, she'd circle it. She'd circle it or something on there. But yeah, I mean, I just won't have to think about the happy times because they were 99.9% happy. I can tell you, anybody that saw her in the last few days, that was not happy. And thank you, Mom, for spending all that time with her, and Doug for coming up. Beth and I were very fortunate to see her in the hospital when she was still able to talk. And she just wanted to talk about, you know what she wanted to talk about? Hugging and square dancing. Y'all wouldn't be surprised by that. Hugging and square dancing was all she talked about. And she wanted me to meet that nurse. Todd, you better meet that nurse before she comes back. I like her a lot. She was wonderful.
She was a fabulous
Nikki,
nurse.
Was that her name?
She was fabulous.
Nikki, yeah, Nikki,
yes.
From Mexican and German descent. And she was wonderful. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you. Minnie, we love you. Always will. Always will. Never to be forgotten. Thank you.